for this morning, we'd like to show to you the complete full massage with my friend Leah Fornia here in Wellspring, Davao City. Wellspring phase 2. Oh yeah, right. So this is it.
Located in the Banahaw Street.
Banahaw Street.
In front of basketball court.
Yeah. So welcome to my vlog. Ernina Bing, Basirin, the retired teacher. Okay, so we started with the foot. Okay,
yeah.
Next.
Before we start, you have to think that the circulation of blood, it's come from the lower bodies. Okay. So you have to perform the foot massage going to the legs.
So the first, can we show again?
Again, before you start, you have to familiarize the body of your client. Okay. So you have to make it some warm up, okay, like touching the body like this. Okay. So you know the concern of your client.
Regardless, your client's not saying that.
Yeah.
This part. Okay.
Yeah. So you know what parts will be concerned.
I love that one. This foot massage.
Then after that, you have to stretch it.
Stretch.
You can rotate it. Circular range of motion like this. It's a part of massage. And then you have to push it forward for you, for me. Then you have to do some exercise like this, either like this. You can rotate 1, 2, 3, and reverse 1, 2, 3, and then you can push it, push
wow.
3 times.
Love it. Yeah. Okay, so next
connected also with the
ear na. Next part.
Bewang.
Okay, yes. The waist part. So after the foot, my arms na.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next is wonderful. Wow, nice feeling.
Feel
good.
The same with the other
legs.
Yeah. Okay, so you can perform some circular finger pressure.
So,
one hand,
and
2 hands, circular.
Yeah. Okay, love it. So this is Swedish
they
massage.
have some raking.
What's raking?
Raking. Like this.
Raking. Yeah, you are
we have 2 fingers.
2 fingers
and or 5 fingers.
So thank you, yeah.
They can help it.
So we going on. Yeah, thank you, yeah. Next part.
And after that, if the client is that kind of sitting position, you have to go in the arms.
Okay, we are now the arms. Here na. First the arms.
Yeah.
Ito na.
And same with the foot, you have to familiarize the body first. Then after that, you perform some stretching. So you have to push it to you.
How many times?
Just push it. Just count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you back it.
Back to the client.
1, 2, 3, 4. That is stretching.
Wow, exercise.
Yeah. Then you have to rotate it. Some exercise 1, 2, 3, and reverse 1, 2, 3. So you know it can help you to loosen the muscle before you proceed to the proper massage.
Okay. So this is now the
then
arm
you
part.
start with the hands, the fingers, the palm, everything. You have to stretch it like this.
Wow, that's feeling
you have
good.
to shake it like this.
Thank you, yeah. So next to the hands is
always going the procedure is going up.
And this is my right side, right?
Same procedure.
Right side, then after that you go to.
And we can offer also the terahertz.
What's this?
The terahertz, if you know this.
For what's the purpose?
It's good also for the relaxing, warming the muscle and the nerve. Also, if something you can give it also electric massage.
Electric massage.
This is a dolphin. And I have also,
what else?
Cupping, Chinese cupping.
How is it done?
I will show you.
Where are you going to place?
Okay.
My back?
but we can use it in the back and just you have to put it like this in the legs. Then
so what's the feeling? Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Wow, nice. But you did not do that my puwet.
In the next session.
Sige, sige.
Okay.
Next.
That's it. Don't make it too long.
Why?
Just have some seconds, like 10 seconds
What's
is
the
enough.
purpose? What's the purpose?
Hikob na sila og lamig.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. And then put it.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
They have some circle.
So we'll have it next time, huh?
Yes.
So next is it my back already?
Yeah. If
Am I
you
correct?
hear the position,
That's the
you
position.
have to arrange first the
Client.
hair.
The hair of the client. Okay. So we are now the back part. How is it done?
So, tell the it's need straight body.
Straight.
Don't make it the client. It's the position bending,
So
but
it's straight.
just ask for the straight body
Okay, up
for
to
your form. So you have to familiarize to warm up like this.
And below. Wow.
If ever it's
Feeling good.
reflex.
So how do you call this one? Swedish massage?
Yeah. Reflex.
Reflex.
Dry massage.
Thai massage or
Dry.
Dry.
Yes. You have to familiar first the body.
How about the weight massage? What's that? I'm
Thai massage, it's more stretching,
more
exercise.
I love your massage, this one. So this is it. So we are now on my
straight
back
body,
part.
straight body.
Okay, straight. My back part. And
So
after
you
that,
have to stretch it, pull.
how's my feet? Is it okay like this? No.
Yeah, just sitting properly.
Okay. So after that, you go now to my head.
No, it's not done already.
Okay. How many minutes my back?
You can perform it for 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes to relieve the
until in the ano ba yung puwet?
the back.
The
The,
back,
The puwet.
yeah, the puwet.
Next time, you put that my puwet. That one.
What in
Oh.
English?
How do you call that one? The gadgets.
You can use also if something pain, you can use also the terahertz.
Okay, so
Or also the electric massage,
yes.
and you can use also the cupping.
Yeah, cupping.
Instead of bentosa, you have to use the cupping.
Cupping. How many do you have this year? Only one?
This is a one set.
One set.
One set.
So next, we're done with the back. Just for illustration to our viewers.
Okay.
Oh, that's it. You are not touching my spinal cord.
So
You're not.
you are in a sitting position, so I cannot make it
So,
properly.
okay, so next.
Unless you have to lie down.
Yeah. We're
Lie
just
down position.
we're just using this for
And then
video
you
illustration.
have
The
to
last
start
part.
in the upper parts. You have to massage the chest.
First. Why?
Yeah. It's better to do some massage in a circular motion.
Circular. Why not square?
It's a circular.
Yeah, circular.
Pushing, going up. Every time it's always going up,
Okay. No going down.
going down.
Next to that,
Then-
my head. What part are you now? My head,
Then you have to perform the neck.
neck massage.
Yeah.
What's the purpose of the neck massage?
The same with others.
To relieve the tension.
Yeah,
Yeah.
up. It's going up,
Yeah. Not going down.
not going down.
Okay, we are now on the head. So
Then
next,
you have to include the ears. You have to
Ears.
massage the ears and around the ears.
wow. Love this.
They have some exercise too.
Why including the ears? That's why first time.
They have many connections.
Yeah, to the
regarding-
brain.
Yeah, in regards of the parts of the body.
Yeah. Okay, so
So So
finally,
and then the
hair.
The head.
What are you doing now? You're scratching my hair. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, scratching. Sabunutan na niya ako mamaya. Parang ano.
Cool.
For what? Scratching. Yeah, this is
It's
it.
like a raking.
Raking the garbage.
Raking
The grasses. Yeah. And the next step is the sabunutan. Leia will be pulling my hair now.
In a proper way.
Proper
So,
way. Yeah.
Walang masaktan.
Walang masaktan. Pero para,
That she feeling good.
yeah. How about if I will look for ano na lang, enemy? So somebody will sabunot, will pull my
masakit yun.
so yeah.
This is make it big
Wellness.
care and love and care.
Yeah. Okay. So we are done now. How about my face? You should do the audience here. What
If you
part?
do performing some face massage,
Face massage. Okay. We're now on the last part. Face massage.
before you make it, you have to wash with put some alcohol.
Alcohol.
Because face is very sensitive to it. You have to
Right.
put the
Alcohol.
The alcohol.
So disinfect your hands.
disinfect my hands, but now
Mm.
I have no
It's okay. I have here my bag. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah.
In,
how about using gloves?
No,
not
cannot use
allowed.
gloves
Oh.
while you performing massage face.
Yeah. It's really your hands. No,
Yeah.
your hands on.
So,
this is not.
ma-feel talaga nila
the
yung
face.
aking hands.
Yeah,
It's
personal
very
touch.
healing and,
Yeah, healing hands.
and
Yeah, feel good to massage.
always up, and then you have to massage the nose.
Nose going up.
Here.
Oh, that's going up. Oh.
Yeah, it's going up here.
Do you have beauty massage?
Yeah.
Will that make me beautiful?
Yes.
Or, feeling younger. Yeah, massage.
And after that,
And
you can perform at 10 minutes.
10 minutes on the face.
10 minutes here in the
Okay.
head, 10 minutes in your face. Included the eyebrow, you have to massage like this.
I love this one. So,
Then
repressing.
you go into the head in a circular motion using thumb.
Thumb down.
Mhm.
So, we are about to end our video.
It's better
session.
if you put some Vicks paper round.
Vicks. I have my Vicks
Feeling,
there. So, just,
feeling good.
yeah, later I will put. I have my Vicks.
Yeah.
That's inside my bag.
Then another way, you have to rub your hands. It's
Oh.
like a vacuum the ears.
Yeah, you're producing
Producing
temperature. Heat. Temperature.
rubbing heat.
Oh,
You just make some heat and put it in the ears.
wow.
And
So-
also another in the face.
Wow. It will make me more beautiful.
You have
Looking
to make
younger.
it 3 times.
3 times.
Rub it and massage it.
Upward. Always upward.
Upward.
Why not going
No,
down?
it will be sagging your face.
That's it.
Sagging.
Yeah.
Sagging.
To prevent sagging, it should be upward. Okay, that's it.
Then after that, just put some
Okay.
Vicks.
Vicks.
So and massage again
Okay.
for the last minute. You can
So this is
make
the final,
relaxing
the final stage. Final,
Refreshing.
yeah.
feeling.
Thank you, Yaha. I'm feeling good now. So, this is our video illustration. Thank you for joining us with my very good friend now. And I really love this massage. Feeling good. Yeah. So, it's not only for those who are sick people, but we need it from time to time for body massage. Final words to our viewers. Invite
Prevention better than cure.
them. Yes. Prevention better than
Feeling
cure.
good.
Feeling
all
good
the time.
all the time. And health is
Wealth.
wealth. God is good all
That time.
the time. Yeah. And if what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. So what you have done is excellent. There's no video or picture, it did not happen. So thank you. Please share my vlogs about this massage here in Davao City. Thank you everyone, viewers, FB friends, my Facebook friends, and everyone, followers and viewers. I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing, retired teacher, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, Mama Buhay, Ma'am Darna, Ma'am Selfie Queen, and the vlogger of the century. So this is it, and please subscribe to my YouTube Mabuhay channel, including my Facebook, my Reels, and my page, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Thank you everyone, and mabuhay! Magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay! Good person, good life, good person. Long live, long life, mabuhay. Yes, yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Please come now and delay no longer. Mrs. Leah Fornea, Davao City. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Until my next vlog, thank you everyone. Mabuhay!